everyone. Today I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day video. I've definitely been cooking more, just been craving everything, and I've been eating just a lot. Might be because I've been also working out more intensely, so I've just been like getting hungry. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I cook and eat today. Without any further ado, let's get on with breakfast. Today I'm gonna make a chopped chicken avocado egg mayo sandwich. So I just like to get these chunk chicken breasts. I get mine from Costco. Chicken breasts. Oh my god! Basil, the dill, some iceberg lettuce, cottage cheese. You're the cure to all my pains. And when little pieces fall out, you just eat it. Nothing goes to waste. That's my breakfast. 잘 먹겠습니다. So good. Breakfast is one of the most important meals for me. Like without it, my brain won't start. I'm about to hit the gym, but before I go, I want to quickly talk about my fitness journey and specifically Trainwell. They're a personal training app that has absolutely changed the game for me. And a big thank you to Trainwell for sponsoring this video. So one of the biggest challenges that I had was just being consistent with going to the gym and also knowing exactly what to do when I get to the gym. Today we're hitting glutes and hamstring. So let's get it. I love not having to think about what to do when I get to the gym because it's already planned for me and I know exactly what to do from start to finish. It's also just nice discovering new workout plans so you don't get bored of doing the same workout routine over and over again. Trainwell just makes it very fun and exciting to work out, and all my workouts are tracked so I'm able to see the progress that I'm making, which keeps me motivated. I think one of the biggest benefits of Trainwell for me is just the accountability aspect. My trainer checks in on me very frequently and the last thing I want to do is disappoint her. And I'm done with my workout. I don't think strength training is just for bodybuilders. I think it can be for anyone. Now, I not only got stronger, but I'm way happier, boosted my confidence, and it's definitely, without a doubt, improved my mental health. I'm going to try to make this curry a little bit different than how I normally make curry. I'm going to try to make it more like puree. So let's see how it goes. we have our lunch. That was good. So I wanted to talk a little bit more about Trainwell and how it works. So first you get matched with a real trainer. I started off with a video call with my Trainwell trainer where we discussed my fitness goals.
You know, you mentioned that you had a pretty, big spinal surgery a few years back. If it still affects you today, does it at all with any of your exercises or workouts?
Then my trainer designs a workout plan that is tailored for me and my fitness goals. You have the flexibility to work out anywhere, at the gym, at home, wherever. The Trainwell app is very advanced and I was actually very impressed. Personally, I think Trainwell has been the best way to do strength training. So if you're interested, the first 100 people who sign up with my link get 14 days free and $25 off their first month with Trainwell. Alright. I just got the most exciting news that my parents are officially retiring. It has been a very long time coming. It is official, which is insane. They deserve to finally rest and take care of themselves and just enjoy life. It's a special day and I think we deserve a special treat. Ramyeon is probably my top 3 favorite food. I find it more sustainable to not restrict myself. The moment I start restricting food from my diet, that's when I cave in and I eat even more unhealthy. So, today's a special day and we gotta celebrate. So, I'm gonna make the rules around here. This is actually not gonna be the typical 컵라면. This is I believe it's Jungkook from BTS. This is like his recipe, but I also don't know if this is the exact recipe. Oh wait, this isn't how you do it. Oh no, I messed it up. I knew I should have did my research before doing this, because now I clearly messed it all up. And I'm honestly a little too lazy to go back and try to find how to make this. So I'm gonna just go with Time has come and it's time for dinner. And I've been waiting all day to eat this, so I'm very excited. For dinner, I'm gonna make 등갈비 김치찜. This is something when I'm eating out and it's on the menu, I'm definitely ordering it. It can get a little pricey, so I wanted to try making it at home. In goes the baby back ribs. And I'm gonna put some doenjang in here. Put a little scoop. Now we're watching Emily in Paris. Alright, so this is gogi kimchi. This is like entire cabbage. So I'm salivating. Oh my god, this looks so good. Put it right on top. The onions on top. Once again. Oh my god, you guys, there's a huge bug. What is that? Ew! Huh? I'm losing my appetite. flies and mosquitoes, yeah, that's fine, but like, it went out, it went out, it went out, it went out, it went out. Come here, come here, come here. Dun, 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 dun. Kimchi. Ooh, get a piece of the baby back. With rice. You just roll it. Rip up the kimchi. So that's everything I ate today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to check out Trainwell. I'll leave all the information in the description.